physical growth, mental growth, change of life.
All
That's a very good question I've been asking myself, and that's why I have this anxious phase all over. But I know I can start from somewhere. For instance, I left a business back at home. I'm going to work on that. That's my first thing. I'm falling back to my business, and after that, I would like to have a farm. I would like to have a farm, and again, I know my plan now is to go back to the business, then start a farm. I would like to shout out to my mom and my God. God bless them for me. I thank them for giving them to me. I'll shout out to my friend Omayo. He has been a very good friend. He's like my team here in Calabar. I'll shout out to Olola Esther, my best friend. There have been anytime I'm crying, I'll just take a call. She's a phone call away. I can just call her anytime. I'll shout out to my friend also, his name is Lekon, wherever he is. I'll shout out to the pastor and the Jenny of the family house I am. They've been good, they're a good support system. I'll shout out to everybody, every family house members. To my friend Shola, my colleague, my friend and colleague Shola. He has been, God has really used him for me. A big shout out to him.
right. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you for having me.